Hi everyone, this is Miss Ron from Sparkling Memories. Today we're going to do another broadcasting. This time we're making some salmon fillets. In front of you we have the salmon already seasoned, and to coat it we will be using some flour instead of breadcrumbs to get a nicely great flavor, because most items it needs a little bit of a boost to make it taste awesome. On the cutting board over here we have two different cuts in terms of onion. The larger one is to make the red sauce for the salmon, and then we have the shorter one for the actual garnish you can put over that's actually edible. We have the tomato sauce. So the tomato sauce along with the onions, and you make it in vegetable oil. The oil is important because it gives it a different type of taste versus using canola or any other type of oil. In front of you, we have the different type of seasonings in terms of what we season the salmon with. The first one we have is cilantro, garlic powder, onion powder, real maids, roasted garlic and herb, adobo, oregano flakes. In front of you is actually the mixture to make the tartar sauce. It's actually really simple, using mayonnaise, some sweet relish, and some cayenne pepper over here. You could either use red onion or white onion. Today I'm using yellow. And see, we have all the different things already set up. As we move over here, this is actually the salmon before I add the flour to it. Give you a little outline as far as the different things you do today. This part is where we're going to coat the salmon in. The other one would be the red sauce. And I have another one where we have the onions and garlic that we're going to put on the top like a garnish. Hey everyone, if you have the salmon on here, it's so to get a nice color on the one side, and then we're going to flip it and get another golden brown color in the mix. Once you incorporate the tartar sauce and the garnish, the other bowl one I was telling you about, the onion and garlic, it'll be like the first one. The white stuff you see on top of the salmon is actually the tartar sauce that we made earlier. And over here we have the one with the red sauce. Of course, the red sauce is not completely done. You need to give it a little bit more time. As far as right now, we're going to go ahead and do the second half of the salmon so we'll get golden brown in the next side. Ooh, it popped. I will move over here. When you're making the salmon, always make sure you have enough room for it to actually breathe. Don't put too many in the pot at one time. The color we have on there, it's a nice golden brown color. Usually expect to see in here is actually the seasoning that we had on top of the flour. Make the salmon a nice golden color. The main reason for put on any kind of breading on there is so it doesn't dry out, unless you wanted to put in like butter sauce. I've seen people put it with breadcrumbs. I've seen people put it with regular flour. The flour I used today was all-purpose, no particular brand, because I feel as far as all-purpose, it has a different kind, yes, but it doesn't really change much of the taste. A lot of times people think depending on the one you buy, it would change the taste, but not really. The only thing that changes its taste when you're actually making things is the oil you use or the butter you might use. Instead of using parquet, you might want to use butter. That will change the taste of it. If you use vegetable oil versus canola or olive oil, that can also change the taste. A lot of times when I'm doing it, I make sure once you have the oil in there, in the pot, make sure you put in a little bit of seasoning. I suggest rosemary and thyme, and just let it sizzle in the oil a little bit before you start adding your salmon to it. This is actually butter and the regular crystal instead of the vegetable oil or canola oil. And this one has an actual oil because we actually serve as the base for the rich sauce. And everything else is a little bit less in terms of how much we actually use. And then most people who might not think red sauce is something you will want in there. Maybe you might like tartar sauce, that's also an option too. One of the main reasons I wanted to have a garnish on there is because the tartar sauce has a white flavoring look, yes. But you want flavor. You don't just want a garnish on your food and you can't eat it. You need it look nice and pretty. I like to have the garnishes that actually could be edible because that's the whole purpose of it being on my plate. You're going to give it salmon some time to cook. You see right along here, it's actually almost done because it doesn't take too long. Anyway, from 3 to about 3.5 minutes before I actually finish cook. That's one of the main reasons cooking the salmon fillet is so easy. You can get it from different grocery stores. Some are individually packed. Some are packaged by itself. You can always go to the section where it's already cut up and get your salmon. And here is the finished product of it. So you go ahead and you're going to go ahead and take this out. And let's see, you can flip it over. So you can see the color in there. Now I just want to check it a little bit. See guys that color. Got that golden brown color. It's safe to take it out. Try to use a spatula. A fork is not going to help the salmon to keep its form. You go ahead and put that in. This is the one that's in the flour batter. You want to shake off the excess because you don't want too much as you're going into the pot. Yeah, because we don't want our food to not have anything going on but besides the flour. We want a little extra going on there. You can start bubbling already. I actually have it at a low fire, 3.5 versus having it on 5. My stove actually is an electrical one, so it goes by the numbers. Versus a lot of people might have gas stove, so it might be a little different. You have to either pick up the pilot and get moving. I want to show you this. See that? That's the red sauce. So you know that's done. You work on the rest of these salmons, and then when we come back, I'll show you the finished plate because I also have other things I put with it. My peas and rice and my vegetables, so I can have my salmon with something else besides salmon by itself. Hey everyone, now we have the salmon on the stove, and it actually has a little bit more extra seasoning on top of the flour. Give a nice taste. One of the main reasons you turn the oil that color is because of the breading. At this point, we're not using breading, we're actually using flour for this demonstration. And over here, we already had started the red sauce, the one with the onions, the tomato sauce, and a little bit of vinegar. So we're going to go ahead and continue cooking the rest of that. These are some other salmon that need to get a little bit more coated. And as we have over here, we have the tartar sauce already made. Once you make the tartar sauce with the mayonnaise, the sweet relish, and the cayenne for the heat, you could go ahead and place that into the fridge so it can get a little bit more cooler. Hi everyone, here is the finished product. We have the salmons in front of you that have on the seasonings and the flour. Here we have the one with the red sauce. On top of it, it has the big onions, nice caramelized tomato sauce that's on there. The other one has the tartar sauce, and of course the garnish, the onion and garlic that was mixed and then placed onto the fish. Over here we have the plate with the salmon in the different ways in terms of the tartar sauce and the red sauce. And of course we have the peas and rice and the broccoli that was made from previous time. A quick note, when you're actually using Crisco or butter or anything to that extent where you're going to make something to fry, always try to put soapy water into the pan so it doesn't have the gunk and it'll be harder for you to actually wash. Make it a little easier on yourself. Get some stainless steel pot and pans. It makes it a lot easier on you versus the other ones. You can always get these kind of pans in a set, different places, whether it be Target, Walmart, or just about any place that sends cooking items. So till next time, this is Mrs. Duran from Sparkling Memories. Bye bye.